Hey everyone, this is Aaron from Studio 3B. Today I wanted to go over the Powerbeats Pro and give them a little re-unboxing and review. Stay tuned. So I was looking for a headphone that was good for working out, good for running, and had a feature that would not allow it to fall out of my large ears too easily. So I had previously the Apple AirPods from the first or second generation, and I would be, lifting or running and the thing would just be falling out of my ear. I also noticed that a friend of mine had a set of the Powerbeats Pro, and they highly recommended them. They said that the microphone would not pick up a lot of background noise and wind and things like that when you're exercising. So that being said, I just kind of pulled the trigger on them, and when I got them, I was pretty happy with them. They come with the Apple chip that allows it to pair with your phone quite easily. It's not like just basic Bluetooth. It comes up on your screen and pairs with a nice little graphic image of the headphones, and gives you a little bit of good details about the product. That's pretty nifty. It's cool that it's part of the Apple ecosystem because Beats is now owned by Apple, so they're able to insert this chip into the hardware and make it more compatible with their products. That being said, it does work with Android supposedly, just standard Bluetooth connection, and it shouldn't really have any problems that way either. So besides that, the sound quality on these things is pretty good. It's not quite as up to par as like the Bose headphones I used to have, the Power Sport or whatever they were called, the sweat resistant sport headphones. I gave those away to a family member. Anyway, so the sound quality is pretty good. Microphone quality, I have not had any complaints from anybody I've talked to. Every time I say, "Can you hear me now?" They say yes, and I say good. So there's really not been any hiccups with people complaining about background noise or not being able to hear me or anything like that. Fit wise, they fit pretty well. They have a clip that goes around the side of your ear, so that kind of hooks on and makes it so it can't ever fall out. It might not be shaped perfectly for your ear, so it does have a little bit of malleability to it, and it is able to adjust to the size of your ear. The fit is very nice. It doesn't have a lot of wiggle room. It kind of sits in there pretty comfortably. You can twist it to be perfectly lined up with your ear canal, and so that's a lot of the positives. So, good quality, good compatibility, and good fit. So that being said, I did have a lot of negative experiences with these headphones, and they came, I think, because of the particular build that I got. I don't think it's a product issue. I think it was just the particular headphones I got. I think I had a broken button on my earbud because the first pair that I got would continuously activate Siri. I'd be listening to music and Siri would start activating on my phone. This was really frustrating. This would happen over and over again. So since they're owned by Apple, I was able to get customer support. And after some troubleshooting, it turned out to be a hardware issue. And I wasn't able to identify that until I went and scheduled an appointment to go down to the Genius Bar and have them look at it. And then they took it, sent it off to their repair shop. And a week later, I come back with newly repaired headphones that did not have that problem any longer. I got a little frustrated after that because thinking that everything was resolved, either the left or the right earbud was having a hard time charging. It would only charge one of the earbuds, so the other one was draining down to 16%, and the other one would be 98%. I tried to get back in touch with Apple, and they wanted me to ship it back out to them through the Genius Bar, and I wasn't willing to do that and go another week without my headphones. So I was thinking about throwing in the towel and just going for the Bose again. Miraculously, after about a week or so, I haven't experienced that issue. I'm going to hang on to these earbuds because I really do like the quality, the fit. I can give you a sound demo on my phone so you could hear what the microphone sounds like. Hey everyone, this is just a sound test for the Powerbeats Pro. I just wanted to come outside amongst the birds chirping, seeing if you guys hear any of that. I'm using the headphones right now, and just seeing how the microphone is picking up. And this is the sound quality with just the standard phone microphone using the Photos app video feature. So here's a little unboxing. It comes with a USB-A to Lightning charger. That works fairly well. You could also use a USB-C to Lightning. I haven't had any issues charging with the newer charging cables. And it also comes with other earbud tips that you could use if the ones that it comes with are not the right size for your ear canal. So it's pretty simple, straightforward packaging. It comes cleanly packaged like a lot of other Apple stuff. So I have really no complaints on the packaging. It keeps it charged fairly long, and I never ran out of battery. I charge it every night, and I've never run out of battery. I don't think you even need to charge it every day. So the case keeps it charged and the headphones keep it charged. And so with both of those, you really don't have any issues with keeping charged. I think it lasts like a ridiculous amount of hours. So yeah, look up online all the tech specs. I'm not going to give you like let's read their website or anything like that, but I just want to give you my personal opinion and view of these, and I hope this helps you wherever you are.